everyone کہ پہلے تو ہم پریس فرٹرنیٹی کا تہ دل سے ممنون ہے کہ آپ نے ایک شارٹ نوٹس پہ یہاں تشریف لایا. ناظرین و کرام، آپ کو میں بتاتا چلوں آج سی جی سی یونیورسٹی موہالی کی طرف سے کشمیری طلاب کے لیے ایک خصوصی اسکالرشپ پیکیج کا اعلان ہونے جا رہا ہے. اسی ضمن میں آج سی جی سی یونیورسٹی موہالی کی طرف سے ہمارے جو آج مہمان خصوصی ہے وہ ہے مسٹر وشودیپ سنگھ چوہان جی، جو کہ ڈائریکٹر ایڈمیشنز اور مارکیٹنگ ہے سی جی سی یونیورسٹی کے. اور دوسرے جو ہمارے مہمان خصوصی ہے وہ ڈاکٹر ہتیش کلوٹا جی ہے، جو جی ایم ایڈمیشنز اور مارکیٹنگ ہے. تو ہم اپنے ان چیف گیسٹس کو یہاں مدعو کرتے ہیں اور آپ کے ساتھ وہ فردر انٹیمیٹ کریں گے.
A very good afternoon to all. My name is Dr. Hitesh Kalota and I'm working on a capacity of General Manager Admissions and Marketing at CGC University Mohali, Punjab. Along with me, we have our Associate Director of Admissions and Marketing, Mr. Vishwadeep Singh Chauhan. Today, we are at Kashmir to introduce the CGC University Mohali, a new generation Gen Z favorite university, Mohali. We have a legacy of 25 years old. And we started the campus in 2001. Our Honorable Chancellor Sardar Rashpal Singh Dhaliwal has launched campus in Mohali. And in 2012, we launched Chandigarh Group of Colleges Janjedi campus, which is now being converted last year in CGC University Mohali. So we are here to launch our university in Kashmir. And to present the CGC University, what we offer in for the students of the Kashmir, and especially with our CGC UT scholarship worth 50 crores. Now I hand over to our Associate Director of Admissions and Marketing, Mr. Vishwadeep Singh Chauhan, to brief about the university and what we offer for the students of the Kashmir.
Thank you, Hitesh. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you very much for coming here. I'm Vishwadeep Singh Chauhan, Associate Director Admission and Marketing at CGC University.
It's a bit louder, please.
First of all, CGC, we all know this name from long time, from last 25 years. CGC, yes, we are here now, but now we are CGC University. So I'm here to tell what university has now, what is the difference now in CGC and now in CGC University. The first point in this, like, we are the Gen Z, AI Gen Z University, where we are having the industry integration with the university. This part is very, very important because when we talk about education, classes, degree is normal. But the need, today's need is industry. Students need industry where they can actually work with the industries. They can study with industry. They can teach them about the industry processes. So for that only, in CGC University, we have got industry-oriented programs like AIML, AIDS, or BBAs, or BCAs, or MBAs with industry, where they will be teaching them for the complete tenure at the university only. Companies like IBM, companies like EY, Ernst & Young, companies like KPMG, open source technology is also being introduced to the students while studying BTech and all. Through Open Source Science, it's also a company. These are the companies oriented programs. Along with that, all the students who will do CSC or any technical programs at CGC University, they all will have the access to the Capgemini lab. Capgemini is a giant, a very big company. They have got their own center of excellence at the campus where they will be training to the students for their own placements. They have done an MOU with us for doing 500 placements every year. So they will be training our students. They will be giving them 180 hours every year training. That means almost every day students will have a session or a lecture in their lab. One is that. We also have got WNS. They have also done an MOU with us to place our MBA students in the field of finance and MBA marketing. They have also done an MOU to give 500 placements every year. So University now, CDC University has come up with the industry, with more placements with the industry, so that students who study now, they must get placed, because we believe in giving back to the society. This is the new mantra of CDC University, because we have served, we have got a lot of love being CDC when we were college. Now in university, we want to give it back to the students, because we have the rights and we have the processes now being universities, where we can actually do changes in the academic process as per our requirement for the students. On top of that, we have got another MBA. We have started a revolutionary MBA now. Normally MBAs were like just for 2 years. The students come, they study, and then they go back. Our MBA is not only MBA now. Our MBA name is now MBA Plus. Any MBA program, either with industry or normal MBA like HR, marketing, all these MBAs are MBA Plus now. What is Plus? Plus means something extra. So what we are providing extra to students in MBA now, all students who will do MBA here, every semester they will get one industry mentor who will mentor them for the six months in one semester. They will be basically teaching them how to behave in the company, how to get hired in the company, what are the company processes of their own company, of that mentor. So when we get these 4 mentors for the students, that means they are getting the experts. They will teach them how to actually work in real-time environment in the real world. Secondly, in this MBA, another plus, students will start getting pre-placement from second semester onwards. That means from second semester onwards, only students will get interviews. They will give interviews to the companies, and companies will give them on-job training for 1 year from second semester onwards. Also, students will get minimum stipend of 25,000 for 1 year. So whatever amount students are about to pay for their MBA, about 80% of that they will get back actually. So students don't have to get into the burden of high fee and all. We have also kept very low fee. If we compare other universities, we have not kept very high fee. These are the affordable fee structures we have kept for the support of the students and parents, so that they can actually plan their students to get good higher education from reputed and well infrastructured university. More, our university is also being called right now is startup friendly university. We have got venture nest department, where we take all the ideas from the students, we fund the students, we give them money, we work with them to start their startups. So far, till now, we have got funding from other sources, from government, from other companies. We have got about 1.5 crore funding as well for students, where we can spend money on students to help them, to procure the material, to do whatever, to start their startups. Right? We have got few startups as well, like NeuroPixel, Peak Private Limited, EOS, Tech Healthy, Escape Car. These are the travel startups. Then we have that Diltak AI Health Tech, some health-based startups as well. We have started already in the campus. Secondly, if I talk about the placements are very, very important, and proudly CDC University says that in the region, in North, if I say completely, no university has got the highest package what we have got, which is of 1 CR, highest package at CGC University of Indian company, not abroad. If somebody is showing some higher packages, they are showing that foreign currency converted to the Indian currency to 1 CR, but I am talking about rupees 1 CR in India, right? Plus we have got 1500 plus companies currently with us doing the recruitment processes, which is also the highest in the region. Secondly, we have done 12,000 plus placements so far. So these figures proves itself that we are the pioneer in providing the quality education with placements, not only the education. As my colleague Dr. Hitesh said in the beginning, here in Kashmir, we are here to give something to the students. So we have actually got a very huge amount of scholarship which we'll be giving to the students this year, and that is through our CGCUT exam, which is the exam to get admissions and scholarship. It's one exam with multiple purposes. So in this, students can avail scholarships up to 100%. They just have to go through, they just have to give an exam, and depending on the marks, on the results, they will get their scholarships. So this is what we have from CGC for Kashmir, for student, not only for Kashmir, but these all things are for India, right? So please come to CGC University for your higher education.
We will be launching now.
Well,